In this video we'll be looking at Call Me Lover by Sam Fender. Now the guitar part's actually played in E-flat standard tuning, but we'll be looking at the parts in standard tuning so you can get started right away. This riff's going to start with an A minor chord. I'm going to play the open A string, then I'm going to play open D and G, and hammer onto the second fret. Then we'll a little slap straight after. Open A, hammer on second fret, grab third on the low E. C with a G in the bass, single strum down. Grab the low E string again at the third fret. Then we go to an F chord. We're just going to play the bass on the F on the low E string for the first time. Then the full chord, so we're playing low E, D, G and B all at the same time. We're going to play the F chord but with our second finger off, so we've got the open G string in there. Then again, and hammer it back onto second. So off, hammer on, and then we play the chord again and pull off to open. So just for the F chord, we've got bass, F, F with the second finger off, the hammer on, the pull off, bass. So the whole riff, A minor. Hammer on, C with the G in the bass, single strum down, bass, F. We're up to speed. So to come out with that riff, we play the F, the bass note, full chord, finger off, hammer on, and then instead of the pull off, play an A minor chord. Go to a G, A minor, F, A minor, G, A minor, F. To go into the chorus, the last thing we hit there is that low G note on the third fret of the low E string. For the chorus we use the same chords as the verse. We've got A minor, C with the G in the bass, go to F, hammer on, pull off, and catch that low G note before we go back through A minor. C with the G in the bass, F. To come out the chorus, we're going to stay on the F for 2 bars, and the last beat on the forehand, got that open G chord. So F. Verse. For the bridge we start with a D minor chord. We play D string in top 3 strings, then we've got a little run, open the 3, hammer on the low E, open A string, strum down on an A chord, then hit the A bass. So D, hammer on, A minor, then we go to the F like we did for the main riff. So D, A minor, F. For more Sam Fender tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.